Om. At another place in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna narrated this sloka in Sanskrit, and I shall differentiate the complex combined Sanskrit words into my diary. I shall take you to my diary, and I shall recite these complex Sanskrit words into simple Hindi words for you to understand. I am now in text 31 of chapter 2. Swadharmam api chaha avekshya navikampitum arhasi धर्मात् हि युद्धात् श्रेयः अन्यः क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते. While reciting, I have recited in simple words, but I shall differentiate and diffuse these complex Sanskrit words into simple Hindi words in my diary. Swadharmam api chaha avekshya navikampitum arhasi dharmat hi yuddhat shreyaha anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Om. The narration goes as follows. Considering your specific duty as a Kshatriya in the parliament, you should know that there is no better engagement for you than fighting on dharmic principles to uphold the value of Indian Constitution. There is no need for hesitation also. Kshatriyasya na vidyate. There is no need for you to behave otherwise than the Kshatriya. In the parliament, parliament is a place where you should uphold the value of Indian Constitution. You should snub the narcissism. You should snub the influence peddling. You should snub and you should eradicate the bad effects of the Constitution. Om. Swadharmam api chaha avekshya navikampitum arhasi dharmat hi yuddhat shreyah anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Please push me to the arena of the presidency in India in the year 2022. I promise you as a Salian, I promise you as a Kshatriyan to uphold the value of the Constitution, to uphold the value of the Indian tradition. So help me God in Bhagavad Gita, and so help me God in Quran, so help me God in the Bible. Om. This is Pachari Yoga International Trust coming to you in Arjuna's way, following the footsteps of Krishna, following the footsteps of Quran, following the footsteps of the Bible.
Meditation is the surrender of the body, mind and the soul unto the Supreme Power. The Supreme Power may be the God in any religion, in the sense that you should not imagine that you are more than that Supreme Power. A meditation does not mean that you are requesting that Supreme Personality of Godhead to give boons in grace. You are not entitled to gifts from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You are not entitled to seek personal gain for personal satisfaction. If you are seeking personal gain, then your false desire will be frustrated by your own actions, in the sense that you are making your own mind as your first enemy. We have taken human birth, and we must know about the life energy existing in the body. This life energy is of universal existence and is the divine gift of God. This life energy is the prime source of life and is invisible. The life energy may be the God himself or the earth, the water, heat, air, vacuum, mind, brain and false